Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX. SHX Governance. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. And folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar, guys. So do check it out. I personally prefer keeping my assets in cold hardware wallet, so do check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of SHX at the time of the recording, guys. So this is SHX. A lot of volatility in the daily, guys. Check this out. The price is up 1.11% for the day. So it has, although I think it is wrong, although it has fallen a bit from 0.000916 to 0.0088 volatility in the mids, but it is still above the 0.0085 mark. So let us look at the 7-day chart, guys. It is down 10.69% in the last 7 days. Check this out. From almost 1 cent, when it basically touched 1 cent mark, it came back down again. It tried testing it again, came back down again. So if you look at the monthly chart, it is up 46.20% for the month, guys. So it went from 0.006 all the way to 1 cent, and since that time it came down, tested this support level over here, 0.008. A lot of technical experts also were saying that the 008 mark is going to be a crucial mark from which a bounce off is possible. If you look at the yearly, it is up 1,708%, guys. And if you look at the all-time chart, then we can see that we are in some crucial levels over here, guys. This 1 cent mark is a crucial resistance over here, and the 0.006 mark a crucial support. So a really crucial area, 0.08797. So yeah, these are the levels, guys, which have to be basically, I think the 1 cent mark needs to be broken again for the next levels to be achieved, guys. The 2 cent mark will come after we break through this resistance with momentum. We need momentum. Obviously, it will take time because I see a lot of sideways price action and consolidation at the moment. But for what SHX has to offer, guys, it certainly can achieve that, because $50 million market cap is nothing for what it aims to achieve. If the team delivers, finally, it can come sooner than later. Anyways, guys, let me now show you guys a new post over here. This is the official Stronghold X handle, guys. Check this out. 18 hours ago, the results for the Q2 SHX governance votes are in. Check this out. For, against, abstain. Let me now just go through this. This is the establishing. This is the second governance vote, by the way. If you remember, the first one was the origination fee, guys. The vote on that, it was voted for the MCA origination fee burn, if you remember this, guys. Now this is the second governance vote. What is this, guys? This proposal asks whether a public venue be established for the submission and discussion of SHX governance proposals by SHX holders. So basically, the proposals do not have to be do not have to be unilateral. They do not need only SHX team to make decisions. If we vote for this governance vote, this means that we want a public venue to be established for submission and discussion of what SHX proposals should be in the future. It might be related to burns, it might be related to a lot of stuff, guys. So this is for the public venue to make things transparent. This is awesome, guys. And in this time around, the Ethereum based holders participate, guys, along with the stellar ones. So check this out. Snapshot time, April 21st, 2024. Vote started April 22nd, 2024. Vote ended April 26th. The results published April 15, 2024. And this is the implementation H2 2024, guys. So this is the description. And there are two parts in this, guys. There is a question number one and there is a question number two. So this proposal asks whether a public venue be established for the submission and discussion. First, SHX holders who are bound by the requirements of the Stronghold net terms of membership are not invited. So second question is related to this. We're going to be looking at this. Wider SHX holdership should be able to discuss, curate, and submit proposals that are put to a governance vote. A public venue, such as a forum, a platform, it could be anything, guys. It could be a platform on X or anywhere, guys, could be created that allows for the public to discuss proposals as to what the next proposal should be, and maybe the voting happens over there, and that proposal is selected by the Stronghold team, and then that proposal is up for voting officially and then implemented. So this is really good, guys. This is a good decentralized approach to do stuff. Should this proposal pass, Stronghold will engage with the community to determine a suitable form, software, and implement such a venue. So I think that they should have voted. But my insight is that they should have voted on this venue as well, along with this vote. The people that voted for it or against it, they should have voted that where should this venue be in a social media platform, which platform, and whatnot, guys. So, anyways, secondly, Stronghold Net members or the other parties bound by the requirement of the Stronghold Net terms of a membership are required to provide feedback and rule change suggestions via the channels established in the terms of membership. Due to this requirement, these parties will not be able to participate in the newly created venue, nor are they able to participate in SHX governance directly. So, guys, for this, they want to establish a voting proxy for Stronghold Net. There is going to be some sort of representation for the Stronghold Net as well, to ensure that the voice of the Stronghold Net members are heard in governance proposals. Stronghold seeks to oversee the establishment and administration of a voting proxy, whereby Stronghold can vote on behalf of members according to the relevant terms of membership. So basically, a voting proxy for the Stronghold Net members was also voted upon in this proposal, that should we do it or shouldn't we. Stronghold will not make its own vote via this proxy. So check this out. The vote contains two questions. The first asks whether a public venue be established for the submission and discussion of SHX governance. And the second asks whether a proxy voter be established and administered by Stronghold that is able to vote on behalf of Stronghold Net members, guys. So these are the results. These are the two questions, and these are the results, guys. A total of 210 million, I think, if I'm not wrong, voting power participated in the proposal vote. Question one: should a public venue be established for the submission? Like we talked about aforementioned question, the response was for position, the venue should be established. Votes, I think 164 million, if I'm not wrong, and against 32 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3 million, and 3 million. 3.2 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 164 million, and 3 million, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I am. Basically, all in all, more voters voted for this. The venue should be established, guys. So the first question passed with flying colors, in my opinion, and so did the second, guys. The second question: should a proxy voter be established and administered by Stronghold that is able to vote on behalf of Stronghold Net members? So the proxy voter should be established. The vote, I think, 131 million, I think, and the proxy voter should not be established. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 35 million. So the second question also passed, guys, all with flying colors, both of these questions, that a public venue should be established, and secondly, a proxy voter for the Stronghold Net member should also be established for this. So this was the basically this was the vote that happened, and the results are in. I really like what Stronghold is doing over here, guys. Getting community engaged, getting their insights, their perspectives, their analysis. I think this is great, guys. So the results are in for both of these are accepted now. So this is awesome. Let me show you some an interesting post over here as well, guys. So what Stronghold is doing is great, guys. It will eventually grow as the community grows as well, and community insight can take it far forward in the future. Check this out. This is what Grok told me about Stronghold and SHX. If everything goes perfectly for Stronghold, and yes, this is the answer for any project, guys. If things go perfectly, if the team delivers, that is obviously the main element that needs to be done for a project to be a success. The future could be quite promising for the company and its digital currency SHX. Stronghold has been making strategic moves to strengthen its position in the market, such as the acquisition of 20022 Labs, which we talked about in the last video. You guys can check it out, which could have a significant impact on SHX price and adoption. Additionally, the company has a solid foundation with its climate-friendly SHX token built on the Stellar blockchain, which is known for its energy efficiency. This focus on sustainability could attract environmentally conscious users and investors, further boosting SHX value. Moreover, Stronghold's expansion into global markets and the potential listing on new exchanges could significantly increase SHX visibility and liquidity. If Stronghold successfully executes its plans to become a leading player in the decentralized finance space and continues to build a strong community around SHX, which it is trying to do via these governance votes and everything, it could potentially see substantial growth in its value and market capitalization. So, guys, what do you guys think about Stronghold, this insight, and this governance vote? I would like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.